when I bought this motor, the manual stated just number 2 lithium grease. Number 1 or number 2, I think. I forget which. I think I've got number 2 in here. Just lithium grease, the purple stuff, like you put in your axles and your trailers and stuff. But the guys up north, like in Alaska and stuff, that are using these things, that lithium grease gets real thick and real hard to turn over in that really cold Alaskan winter, or even in the spring or whenever, when it really starts getting cold. The reality is they're using this stuff that you can get at your John Deere dealer. I think it's this green grease or something that you can get. It's like a solid when it's not in motion, but when the moment you start putting in motion and try to turn over the engine, it just turns to a liquid or something. It's like that's what everybody's using. And I went to AutoZone today and looked up some of that. They had a version of it. I guess it was their store brand, and they said it is compatible with lithium grease. I didn't buy any because I already had a bunch of. I was about half done with my trailer here, repacking the bearings before I dropped my camera and had to go. Now I'm shooting on 8-bit 420 footage again, which I absolutely hate and abhor. But so yeah, so I'm not sure what the manual that Mr. Dobbs down has with the mud runners now, but if you can get it, that green corn grease or whatever they put in those farm tractors and stuff, it's high temperature, all right? Because these motors, for instance, let's say it's minus 10 degrees Celsius or whatever that is in Fahrenheit. Don't ask me. 10 degrees outside Fahrenheit or whatever. And then you crank up that motor. Well, that motor's going to be 300-400 degrees or something once you crank it up. So you need something that can cover, a lubricant that can cover a wide range of temperatures. I have the high temperature stuff that I put in here, but what about the low temperature? It doesn't get all that cold here, so I don't have to worry about it. So that's the one thing you think about is generally use what the manual says, but if you can find it, get that John Deere, that green corn grease or whatever it is. I'm still using lithium too. We'll probably just continue to use it just because it just works.